Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're doing a fun little craft project. We're going to be making some pop sockets. So I have some of these dried flowers. I got them online at Nature's Press and they are just really beautiful. Let me just show you this daisy. Look at this. Isn't that color gorgeous? It's like hot pink. And so I have these flowers and I have this really cute mold. This is about 1.5 inches in diameter and it comes in a set of 9, and I also have some white pop sockets. So pop sockets are meant for your phone. They're a little attachment. There's a little piece of tape here which you peel and tape on your phone, and what you do is when you stick it on your phone it comes out a little bit like this. However, you can pop it out to use as a little phone stand. So you can put it on the table so you can prop up your phone, or you can put your finger like this to hold on to your phone while you're talking. So this is a really cute gadget that's for your phone, and I thought it would be really fun to make a little resin piece that we can stick on top. And so we'll have these beautiful little flowers like this on the pop socket. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is mix a bit of resin. We won't need too much because I want to keep this topper thin. We just need enough to submerge the flower. Here we're just pouring a little bit in there. I'm going to give it a quick blast with a heat gun to pop the bubbles. Now carefully we're going to take our flowers and put them face down into the resin. I'm going to make sure to push all the petals down so they're nice and flat. Once that's done, we're going to wait a day for it to cure. Alright, so our first layer is cured. Now we want to add a back layer. The back layer I'm actually going to color. I'm going to do a little bit of glitter and white. So we're going to mix our resin again. Add in a little bit of this beautiful crushed crystal. Then once again we're going to pour them into each little space here, just a little bit. Here I'm using a small craft stick to help spread the resin all the way to the edges. Then we're going to wait another day for it to cure. Alright everyone, so the second layer is cured, it's nice and hard, and now we can demold. Let's go ahead and do that. Here's the first one. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. Isn't that nice? First one. Here is the second one. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. Look at this one. The white on white. Third one. Fourth one. This one's interesting. It has little broken petals. Ooh. This one looks great too. Oh wow, love the blue. This one's really nice too. And our last one. Very nice. Alright everyone, so our little flower resin pieces are done. These are super cute and there are many things you can do with them. You can turn them into refrigerator magnets. You can turn them into pins for your backpack or little push pins for your corkboard. But what we're going to do today is actually put them onto little pop sockets. And so I have a whole bunch of these. Let's go ahead and attach them with some glue. We're going to use super glue for this. I could use resin, but that would require waiting another day for it to cure. So super glue should work quite well. Alright everyone, and we are done. Just take a look at these little beauties. Oh my goodness. I love them all. They're so bright. I love that they're real flowers. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my flower pop sockets. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.